Well, the first wrongful death lawsuits have been filed in connection with last month's UPS cargo plane crash in Kentucky that killed 14 people. The suits are being brought on behalf of the families of victims Angela Anderson and Trinidad Chavez. The lawyers allege UPS put profits over safety. The lawsuit also names General Electric, which made the plane's engine.
The preliminary report by the National Transportation Safety Board found the plane's left engine and left pylon detached from the wing during takeoff, and that resulted in a fiery crash after clearing the barrier wall at the end of the runway. Both UPS and General Electric say they don't comment on pending lawsuits, but said they were saddened by the incident. They added that safety remained their top priorities, and they were supporting the federal investigation.
NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris joins us now to talk more about this. Misty, good morning. So help us just understand what the lawyers, are arguing in this wrongful death lawsuit.
What a horrible tragedy, but here are the legal issues. So against UPS, they're the operator of this aircraft. So they're responsible for safety, repair, maintenance, and all of those protocols. They allege that they knew or should have known that it was insufficient. This was a 34-year-old aircraft. They needed to do more than what they did. As far as General Electric, that's the manufacturer of the engine. They say there's either a design defect or a failure to maintain the engine, and also resulted in this terrible tragedy.
So the plaintiffs, what is it they need to show or prove, do you think, to be successful in this suit?
So that preliminary report that you just referenced, that's going to be critically important. Of course, the results of what caused the crash is going to probably be a year out. But what we do know, and this is all from the complaint, is that there was maintenance that was done in September and October, right before. I mean, this crash happened in November, so that's really close in time. So what the plaintiffs are going to have to show is that that was insufficient. It's not that there was nothing done, it's that it was insufficient. And the question is, with that engine separation and that failure of the hardware that's in the preliminary report, how was that missed so close in time to this accident?
So what are the possible outcomes here of this lawsuit? I mean, does this mean that the families of these victims could receive compensation?
Yeah, so it's twofold when it comes to damages. So the individual who is deceased, there's damages relating to their pain, suffering, mental anguish. And then there's what's called the survivor action. That is lost wages, loss of income, and loss of basically love and services that you have relating to those relationships. And keep in mind, the victims are 45 and 37. So that economic loss, they'd be working for years and years to come, so it can be really significant. And don't forget punitive damages for egregious conduct.
Misty Marris, thank you very much.